Good morning. So, NEST 2025, the application forms have been released. The last date is till the month of May. So, even after your NEET, JEE, you can fill the form. Now, the most important thing for the NEST is it is very different from ICER. Important to note, for NEST there are only 257 seats including reservation. Now let's understand about this national entrance screening test. Now this test is basically meant for admission to two institutes. The major predominant institute is NICER, which is the National Institute for Science, Education and Research in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The another important institute is University of Mumbai Department of Atomic Energy Center for the excellence in basic sciences. Now both these departments were established by Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India in 2007, and any student who gets into NICER gets a scholarship, and that is worth 60,000 for every year, and that is under the Disha program. Besides that, the students also get 20,000 per year as the summer internship amount that they would get. Also, if you are securing good scores in your course curriculum through the NEST examination in the NICER or at Mumbai University in the Department of Atomic Energy Basic Sciences, then you are eligible for training programs and direct interview for the BARC training programs, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center, which places in bright options for your future. Now again, under this, the most important thing that you would understand is this is an integrated course. So you would have 5 years integrated MSc program, and as we said, the NICER and the University of Mumbai Department of Atomic Energy both offer number of seats. NICER has 200 seats, 57 seats in Mumbai. And if we look onto the application details, you would see the application closes of 9th May. So even after you have appeared for your NEET, for your JEE Advanced, you can fill in the forms. The examination would happen on 22nd of July. So if you want to stay in basic sciences, NICER is one of the great options that you can explore besides ICER. But at NICER you do get a contingency grant, you do get a scholarship, and also there are bright prospects for placements because you get a direct interview call for BARC training programs. Now the eligibility criteria again remains the same as ICER. So 60% aggregate marks in 12th examination across the 3 subjects. If it is from a reserved category, then the requirement is 55%. You must secure the name in the merit list. The details of the syllabus is exactly as per the same for NCERT. So the same syllabus that you have been using to prepare for your PCMB would be applied here, and this is of course based on the rationalized content. So some of the important things that have been discussed here are there. Now to prepare for NEST, the past year papers and questions are important. So the past year papers are available in the archive section, so you can simply go on and check the question archive and you'll see the past year papers. But if you are looking for solutions and explanations, we have provided the detailed comprehensive explanations and preparation guidelines for each of these. So in case you find something difficult out there, you can reach us. But yes, NEST through to get admission into NICER is a great opportunity. Indeed, you must actually apply for it, and as we have seen that there are scholarship grants and internship grants, so it do provides a very good avenue for students. But again, as you can see, the seats are very limited, only 250 candidates admitted across India, so the competition is definitely tough. The examination is held across 140 different cities in India, so you can understand the number of students appearing for the examination. So prepare well, practice well. Thanks for joining in. Wish you all the best.